Okay, she was gonna go interview somebody, but no, we're not.
Come on! Look at the house. Now we're walking.
We're walking to the bed.
No, you stay right there.
No, you. Look at the house. Running from the bed.
Oh.
Then you left it out.
It was cute for a minute. Oh crap. Now we can't because there's. Let me zoom in.
Back down. You gotta go that way.
Oh yeah. Over there. Yeah, we have to go around.
Now we're walking to Sears.
It's Pokemon.
Go short.
Oh, that's gay. You can't even get him off the thingy.
Yeah, here's Patrick.
Oh, I like this thing. What is this?
Elmo's a fag. Look.
You think Elmo's a fag? Elmo's world.
Oh, I got some.